G'day, it's Sarah here, Creative Rachel's sister. Today we're going to do another Sister Does My Voiceover video where I'm instructing you how to do things and I have no idea what she is making. It's very confusing. Come along to live my trauma. Righto, here we go. Let's get into it. All right, we're going to start with the pink piece of clay that we've got and two other pieces, sandy coloured pieces. Whack them all together, mix them in. Now we've got a bigger piece of clay on the left-hand side there. Whack your other pieces in between and mix them all up again. You should have a big piece and a little piece. You've got a little piece of pink. Oh, it's going too fast. I'm so confused. Do you know what? Grab whatever clay you want. Mix it all together. All right. Once you've got your other pieces, mix them all up again. Should have another big piece and a little piece. And now we've got a little piece of purple and a little piece of lavender. And mush it all in with that sandy kind of coloured clay. Should have a big piece now, and we're going to get a smaller piece with some darker colours. All right, now we're going to flatten it down. No, we're not. We're going to point it. It's going to be like a snow cone. I don't know what kind of shape that is, to be honest. Just round it out. Just round it out like this. It's fine. Now with your dotting tool, you're going to make little indents and put some little kawaii eyes in, it looks like. This might be a whale. I'm not 100% sure. Put the little cute white flecks in it just to make it, really cute. Oh, and give it some little cheeks. Flatten that out. Now it looks like we're giving it a little mouth. This could very well be a whale, I won't lie. I'm going to be very disappointed if it's not. Now, mush some more clay together, because that seems to be all that we're doing. With that piece of clay, we're going to flatten it down. You're going to use your blade. Yes, I know that's a blade. And we're giving it a mustache now, it looks like. Not a mustache, a goatee. We're going to cut some little bits of string of clay. And are these going to be legs, maybe? Just flatten them out. And add it to your little creation, which very may well be a whale, but I don't think it is anymore, actually. I'd like to, change my guess. With your next piece of clay, we're going to do exactly the same thing that we did the first time. You should have 6 pieces of clay now, and just flatten them out, like so. And, we're going to go very fast. We've only got short lives, so we need to be very fast with this. Go, 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 go. I don't know what tool that is. That's not a dotting tool. I don't know what it is. I'm sorry. Just create some little indents in it again. Cut out a bit of clay. Right, we should have 6 pieces now, and it looks like we're piling them all on top of each other. Is anyone else confused what this is meant to be? I'm getting Axolotl vibes. I'm not 100% sure. Ooh, okay, that is a little cookie cutter thingy, I think. We're just going to get off the excess. Fantastic. Give it some little ears. Absolutely, some little feelers. Looks like we're going to do exactly the same thing that we did the first and second time. However, we only need 3 pieces now. They are absolutely tiny. You might need to put your reading glasses on to see these ones. Oh, and it's a little heart on top. Maybe. And then with your pliers, you're just gonna, nice, cool. I didn't get to finish what I was saying. With your pliers, you're gonna put a little indent in it. We're gonna make some key rings. Take the key ring out, put it back in with the super glue. Now we're gonna glaze it. Fantastic. And just like that, you've got yourself some little axolotls, I think they're axolotls. Yeah. Oh, just another little shot of them. Fantastic. Right. That is the video, I think. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more. I think Rachel is doing her own voiceover, so that'll give you a little bit more insight in what to do rather than my random rambles. And yeah, thank you very much. Bye.